Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the tools that keep your vehicle running at its best. Today, we're focusing on an often overlooked but crucial aspect of engine maintenance, the spark plug gap. Getting this right can mean the difference between a well-oiled machine and a sluggish ride. We've rounded up the 7 best spark plug gap tools to help you achieve that perfect gap, ensuring your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. Let's get started. First up is the Spark Plug Gapper tool, a must-have for any toolkit. This tool's design is straightforward yet effective, featuring a durable metal construction that promises longevity. Its compact size means it's not only easy to handle, but also simple to store, making it a convenient choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The precision with which this tool operates is its standout feature, allowing for accurate gap adjustments that are crucial for optimal engine performance. Whether you're working on a classic car or a modern sedan, the adaptability of this gapper tool makes it a universal solution. The quality of materials used in the Spark Plug Gapper tool ensures it can withstand the rigors of regular use, making it a reliable investment for any mechanic. Its usability extends beyond just cars. Motorcycles, lawnmowers, and even generators can benefit from the precise adjustments it facilitates. The tool's effectiveness lies in its simplicity, providing a clear and straightforward way to measure and adjust spark plug gaps without the need for complicated setups or additional equipment. Moving on to number 2, we have the MasterFer Gauge Set. This comprehensive set is the epitome of versatility and precision. With a wide range of gauges, it's designed to cater to all your gap measurement needs, not just for spark plugs, but for a variety of engine components. The set is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring each gauge is durable and resistant to corrosion, making it a tool set that will last through countless tuning sessions. The design of the MasterFer Gauge Set emphasizes ease of use, with each gauge clearly marked for quick identification. This level of detail extends to the tool's storage case, which is as sturdy as it is practical, ensuring your gauges stay organized and protected. The set's usability is one of its strongest points, providing both novices and professionals with the means to achieve precise measurements without guesswork. What sets the MasterFer Gauge Set apart is its commitment to quality and accuracy. Each gauge is precision engineered to provide reliable measurements, ensuring that your engine's components are perfectly aligned for optimal performance. The set's comprehensive range means you'll always have the right tool for the job, making it an indispensable part of any mechanic's toolkit. At number 3, the RAM Spark Plug Gap tool stands out for its innovative design. This tool takes a unique approach to spark plug gapping, using a ramp system that allows for gradual adjustments. This method not only makes it easier to achieve the precise gap you're aiming for, but also reduces the risk of damaging the spark plug in the process. The tool's body is constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum, offering a lightweight yet robust solution for your gapping needs. The RAM Spark Plug Gap tool's design is not just about functionality. It also prioritizes user comfort with an ergonomic shape that fits naturally in the hand. This thoughtful design minimizes fatigue, making it ideal for those who work on multiple vehicles in a single session. Its durability is another highlight, with the aluminum body resistant to wear and tear, ensuring the tool's longevity. The effectiveness of the RAM Spark Plug Gap tool lies in its precision. The ramp mechanism provides a level of control that traditional gappers can't match, allowing for fine adjustments without the need for excessive force. This precision ensures your engine runs smoothly, with the correct spark plug gap reducing misfires and improving fuel efficiency. Number 4. Universal Spark Plug Gap Adjuster is a versatile and efficient tool designed to cater to a wide range of vehicles. Its universal design means it can adjust the gap on virtually any spark plug, making it a valuable addition to any mechanic's arsenal. The tool is made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and reliability, even with frequent use. The Universal Spark Plug Gap Adjuster features an intuitive design that simplifies the gapping process. Its built-in measurement scale allows for quick and accurate gap adjustments, while the tool's sturdy construction ensures consistent performance. This adjuster is not just about practicality. It's also about providing a reliable means to achieve the perfect spark plug gap, enhancing engine performance and longevity. What makes the Universal Spark Plug Gap Adjuster stand out is its blend of simplicity and effectiveness. It eliminates the need for multiple tools, offering a one-stop solution for all your spark plug gapping needs. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this tool provides the precision and ease of use necessary to get the job done right. Number 5. Spark Plug Gap Measuring Gauge is a standout. Designed with meticulous attention to detail, this tool boasts a robust metal construction that ensures durability and resistance to wear over time. Its compact size and intuitive design make it incredibly user-friendly, allowing both professionals and hobbyists to measure spark plug gaps accurately with minimal effort. The gauge features a comprehensive range of measurements, making it versatile for various types of spark plugs. Its precision is unmatched, providing clear and concise readings that eliminate guesswork. The tool's effectiveness lies in its simplicity and the direct approach it takes to measure gaps, ensuring your spark plugs are gapped correctly for optimal engine performance. Durability and quality go hand in hand with this gauge. It's built to withstand the rigors of daily use in a busy workshop or the occasional adjustments in a home garage. The design not only prioritizes functionality but also ensures the tool can be easily stored without taking up much space. This spark plug gap measuring gauge is a must-have for anyone serious about maintaining their vehicle's engine at peak efficiency. Number 6. Taper Spark Plug Gauge Kit is an exemplary tool designed for those who demand precision and versatility in their spark plug maintenance tasks. This kit is crafted from high-quality materials that guarantee long-lasting performance and resilience against the challenges of regular use. The taper design is particularly beneficial for accurately measuring and setting gaps, offering a range of sizes to accommodate various spark plug types. This kit's usability is one of its strongest points. It caters to both seasoned mechanics and those new to spark plug maintenance, with a straightforward approach to adjusting and measuring spark plug gaps. The taper gauges are easy to read and use, ensuring that you can achieve the precise gap required for optimal engine performance. Furthermore, the kit's durability is beyond question. Each gauge is designed to offer reliable measurements for years to come, resisting wear and tear from frequent use. The comprehensive set provides a one-stop solution for all your spark plug gap needs, making it an essential addition to any toolkit. Whether you're working on a classic car or a modern vehicle, the Taper Spark Plug Gauge Kit delivers exceptional results. Finally, number 7. Spark Plug Gap Adjustment Tool, a marvel of engineering designed for efficiency and precision. This tool stands out for its innovative approach to adjusting spark plug gaps, featuring a unique design that allows for quick and accurate adjustments without the risk of damaging the spark plug. Made from durable materials, it promises longevity and resilience, making it a valuable tool for any mechanic or automotive enthusiast. The tool's design is not just about durability, it's also about providing a user-friendly experience. Its ergonomic shape ensures a comfortable grip, allowing for precise adjustments with minimal effort. The adjustment mechanism is smooth and reliable, making it easy to achieve the perfect gap every time. What sets the Spark Plug Gap Adjustment Tool apart is its effectiveness. It simplifies the process of adjusting spark plug gaps, ensuring that your vehicle runs smoothly and efficiently. Its quality and design are indicative of a tool that's built to meet the needs of the most demanding users, offering unparalleled precision and ease of use. Whether you're maintaining a fleet of vehicles or taking care of your personal car, this tool is an indispensable part of your maintenance kit. And there you have it, the 7 best spark plug gap tools to keep your engine running at peak performance. Whether you're tuning a classic car or maintaining a fleet of modern vehicles, these tools are essential for achieving that perfect spark plug gap. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert reviews and tips. Drive safe and see you in the next video.